Are you affiliate marketer, product vendor, or digital marketer, or in any niche where that you are using cold email marketing to promote your product, and you are looking for bulk email sender to send your promotional offer to people so that they can purchase a particular product using your affiliate link? So in this particular video, I'm going to show you this bulk email sender that you can use to send unlimited emails to people. So all you have to do is to connect your SMTP server. You can use your Gmail, you can use your personal emails, maybe Yahoo, Gmail, or SendGrid, Amazon SCS, or your custom SMTP server. But if you don't know how to build your own custom SMTP server, you can just chat me up on my WhatsApp so we can help you build your own custom SMTP server that you can be able to send thousands of email per day. So, but if you want to go to cold email marketing to promote your product, maybe your CPA offer, you can use all this Mailchimp, Get Response, because they are going to get your account back immediately you upload an email list, and they know that this list people did not give you permission to promote your emails to them. They're going to get your account back. So the best option for you is to build your own custom bulk email sender, which I'm going to show you the demo in this video, how you can use this bulk email sender to send unlimited emails. All you have to do is to connect your SMTP. You can send unlimited email. There's no fear that your account is going to get banned. So that's how this bulk email sender works. So if this is the first time watching our video, please click on the subscribe button, like, and comment. So let's get started. Let me show you how this bulk sender works. Yeah, quickly, before we continue with the video, you can quickly take advantage of this 20 premium software that you can use for your online business. Maybe you're into online marketer, you're into blogger, YouTuber, online code business owner, affiliate marketer, freelancer, any niche you are. This 20 premium software is going to help you in your online business. So let me just show you this software you're going to get access to. You're going to get access to WhatsApp box sender software for you to send a related WhatsApp message. You're going to get access to Creator Studio to create 3D animation. So you're going to get access to WhatsApp box sender. You're using an Android phone. You're also going to get box sender SMS to send a limited SMS. You're going to get Camtasia Studio if to do your Premiere video editing. You're still going to get Sino software for your traffic, to generate traffic to black your website to Google. You're still going to get Darbonic traffic bot to get a limited traffic. Also, you're going to get Fastone Premiere screen recorder. If you're into YouTube like me now, you can also get this software for you to do your screen recording. You're going to get a lot of Premiere software, email studio to extract quality emails leads. So you can just click the link under this video tutorial to check out this 20 Premiere software you can quickly get access to with just one time fee and use it for your online business. So let me continue with our video. So welcome back. So I'm going to walk you through how you can send bulk email using this amazing email marketing software. So I'm going to log into my email sender. So I'm using I'm using mautic, a free email marketing software that you can use for your email marketing to create a unlimited list, to send bulk email address, and to manage your subscribers. Instead, maybe you are into online business, you are doing affiliate marketing, but you don't want to be paying thousands or hundreds of dollars monthly to all these third-party autoresponder, maybe like Mailchimp, Get Response, etc. You want to build your own custom bulk email sender. You can use mautic because it's free. All you have to do is to install it if you are good in installation, or you can hire someone which we can help you to install everything. So after I've gotten this email marketing software, so first of all you have to connect your SMTP server, because that's what is going to deliver your email address. So first, if you want to do a bulk email send, if you want to be sending bulk email, you need two things, like let me say three things. First, you need a bulk email sender. Second, and you need an SMTP. So that SMTP is very essential because that's what is going to deliver your emails you send to your recipient. If your SMTP is not good, your email is not going to deliver. So if you have an SMTP which has already been blocked, if you are using to send emails, it may show you that the message is delivered, but it will not, the recipient will not receive your mail. So when it comes to email marketing, make sure you use a good SMTP. So after you have gotten your email mautic like this, have to come to your configuration. Then come to your email settings. Then this is where you're going to set up your SMTP server that you're going to be using for your bulk email sending. So you're going to set it up. So with mautic, it support a lot of SMTP server. Like here you can use Amazon SES API, you can use Amazon SES SMTP, you can use Elastic Email SMTP, you can use Gmail. Also, if you don't want to, if you don't have money to build your own custom SMTP like the one I'm using my own custom SMTP. So if you want me to build your own SMTP for you to start sending your bulk email, you can just chat me on my WhatsApp so to discuss about it. So you can use your Gmail, but Gmail has limitation. With one account you should be able to send maximum per day 500 per day if your account is very old and active. So you can use Majet SMTP, you can use Madrid, Monotron, and other SMTP that mautic supports right now. So I'm using, after you have connected the SMTP server to it, then the next thing is to come to your segment, then create a new list. That demo, let me just say demo 2, then save, then upload your contacts. You can upload unlimited emails, so there's no restriction. So this is your own custom bulk email sender to manage your email. Yeah, let me upload. Oh, sorry, let me choose your file. Just go where you save your file to. Just click where you save your email subscriber to and upload. So contact owner, contact segments, demo to choose where you want to save your email address to. Just choose your email, then you can leave the rest. If you want to show their email domain, then import in browser. So it will start importing your email address. Within a few minutes it's going to done importing. Still waiting for it to load finish. So it's going to take time depending how large is your email address you are uploading. Waiting for it to load finish. So that's done. So let's just view the contacts. So this is your email. So after it's done, then you have to go to your channel, go to your emails, then click on new, just click on new segment email. So if you want to send bulk emails, so best you can use this type of bulk email send and SMTP to send. Maybe you want to promote your affiliate product, you want to promote your own personal product, you want to promote CPA offer, you want to promote your drop shipping, anything you want to use this email marketing for. You are not going to get scared that they are going to block it, because this is your own custom email marketing software. So you can just choose from this template, or you can upload your own custom email template. You can just select and upload your own. So if you want to upload, you can just upload. You can use the advanced, you can use the dynamic content, anyone you feel like. So you can just choose from the theme. So just go to the builder, so enter your email content, blah 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 blah. So what you are promoting, so the email content you want to send. And after that, then enter your subject, enter your name that you And make sure when you are sending email, make sure this publish is yes. If it's on no, your email is not going to send. Make sure it's on yes. Then I just put demo name, subject, then click on save and close. So if you want to know how your email is going to look before sending, you can just click on send example, then enter your email. So it's going to send to your email to see how your email is going to look like in your recipient inbox. So you can just click on send. So that's how you can use this software to send bulk emails. So let me just show you my email. So let me just copy a copy of them. Let me just close this one. So in this segment, so publish. So it will start sending emails. So this is how you can use this amazing marketing software and your own custom SMTP to send bulk email address. So I'm going to take time for you to load. So it starts sending batch by batch. I'm going to pause the video. Then the emails I've sent finish. So you have to click on done. Can you see what sent out? So can you see, like I sent 1006 emails. So this with this mautic, you are going to see your response rate. Like you said, email read 200 people have already read the emails to guarantee that the email delivered to the recipient inbox, because I use good SMTP. So you can see the click rate. So 200, almost 200. So I use it to promote a particular affiliate link. So these are basic bulk SMS bulk email sender you can use with this with your own custom SMTP to send unlimited email address. So if you want us to set up this bulk email with your SMTP, you can chat us on our WhatsApp to set it up for you. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you find this video useful, please click on the subscribe button. We'll see you again. Thank you.